Today I am featuring a resource called Kami. Kami is wonderful for distance learning and it has many uses in the classroom and all throughout education. So if you have the Kami extension installed, when you open the application, you will be brought to this page. It's mainly used for editing different PDFs. You can upload any of these PDFs from your computer, from your Google Drive, or your Microsoft OneDrive. Another option is to create something completely new. Once I click on the New Page button under Create, I can choose how many pages, the page type, and the orientation. Once I click Add, it would open up the document. I'm going to click on my back arrow here because I want to show you what happens when I upload a PDF I already downloaded on my computer. So this is a third grade fraction worksheet. I'll show you the tools on the left-hand side and how I use them. The select tool will let you select anything you've already added. This is a text box. You can choose any of the tools on the left in any of these colors, or you can choose more. You have highlighter options, strike through and underline. You can make a comment. This feature is extremely helpful on student assignments. When you want to give feedback, you can choose from those comments, or you can use a text box. You can also use a text box when you want to give further instructions to the students. You can do voice to text or delete the text box altogether. There are options to insert any equation symbols. If you choose drawing, you'll be able to do some freehand drawing. There is a shape tool. And the eraser tool lets you erase drawings and shapes or all annotations altogether. The Add Media is a newer feature, and you can add any of these options. So you can search Google, you can add something that you already have saved in your drive or your files. Up here, you can choose to zoom in or out. You can open different files, share, print, save, download, or receive any help needed. If you click on the menu, you have all of these options as well. I'm going to choose my select tool. If I choose my markup tool, I'm going to choose text highlighter, and I'll just highlight. I received this message. I'm going to save to my Google Drive. And a copy was saved in my drive. Now, if I want to share it with Google Classroom, I can copy the link, or I can create an individual copy, and I can control the features. Now, if I want to give students only certain capabilities with a specific document, I can only make a text box available, equation, or drawing. So this limits the capabilities that they have for different annotations and could be really helpful to keep your students focused. Now I can copy and paste the link into Google Classroom. And when students answer, they'll only need to do something such as click on the text box tool, click where they need to type, and then edit and submit their answers. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. I'm here if you have any questions.